The new RadioRA 3 all-in-one processor makes installation as straightforward as ever. Powered by PoE, you can conveniently place it centrally in the home without the need for a nearby power receptacle for optimal RF coverage throughout the home. It's recess, shelf, and junction box mountable for a neat and tidy finish and to keep it protected. PoE-enabled router unavailable? Lutron has you covered. The processor kit is sold with PoE injector included. It also comes with quick find technology that makes locating the processor on the home network during setup much easier. And after install, the processor can be serviced remotely using the Lutron app or PC tool. It even supports automatic firmware updates from the cloud, reducing truck rolls and saving you time. The RadioRA 3 processor is backwards compatible with most RadioRA 2 and RA 2 Select devices. Each processor controls up to 200 Lutron devices with Lutron's ultra-reliable ClearConnect RF technology. RadioRA 3. New processor, streamlined projects.